we have a new exercise for you to practice your new skills. So we are in the POS and we are supposed to open the fashion option, this one here. And remember, you created a new item, the woman handbag, and we would like it to be on one of these buttons. So what do? Right click, button properties, and this button actually has a duplicate command for you, and you just need to find the new item you had created in early exercise. It was the woman handbag. So let's select it and press OK, and here it is. But now the exercise wants us to put an image on the button, not only the text. Right click, button properties, and down here is the image, remember. So into the assist button, and now you can either enter or find your ID for the woman handbag, the image, and close. Are we going to do OK now or what? Picture position, you can play with what you think fits the best. I'm going to do fit this time. Do you want to hide the description or not? It's totally up to you. I'm going to hide it, press OK, and here we have it. And the picture had white background, so that's why we don't see the blue anymore. Now the exercise would like us to change this menu to be 5 buttons. Now it's 3 times 4, 12 buttons. So right click, menu properties, and always remember to position yourself where you're doing your changes. So 25 buttons, shall we do 5 times 5, and here we are. And we have 5 times 5 buttons. But now we have something new. Make the space between buttons 10 pixels. So you see there's a space between the buttons. This menus have spaces. The Arias post does not have spaces. So what are we going to do? We haven't seen that before. So let's explore. Right click and go into menu properties. There is actually something here called button spacing, and it's 3 pixels. And the exercise wants us to make it up to 10. So let's do that and close. You see, there it is. I'm not going to say it's pretty, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to have the values of your like. So now the question is, what is the command behind the line discount amount button and change price button? So how do you do it? Yes, you position yourself on the button, right click, button properties. So line discount amount has the command discount. Make a notice of this sign here. What does it do? It makes sure that we have 2 lines. Change price, what is the command behind it? Position yourself here, right click, button properties, and that's the command. Price CH. Do you want to do the same thing for this one? Just for fun? Let's do that. And press OK. Now you see we have changed price.